Hello everyone, Alan here again. Today we're just going to be fitting a bar riser to Corin's bike. We got this one from Revzilla. I looked at a couple of options online, and a lot of them you basically had to toss the top away, and it'll be nice to just keep the original front piece on here, the top piece with Triumph logo, and it's silver as well. A lot of them they just have their own clamps and everything, and you lose the Triumph logo and whatever. And this one that we bought will actually take the handlebars back as well as up, because Corin was saying that she felt like she was leaning too far forward and she wants to be more upright with the handlebars closer to her. So without getting new handlebars, I think this should help. So I'm just going to ask Corin now to sit on the bike so we can actually get a before picture of how she sits and how she's positioned, and we'll get an after once we've actually put the bars on the new bar riser and see what the difference is. Okay, so Corin, do you want to get on the bike? I'll actually take a photo from the side as well so we can get a good before and after. Okay, so you still feel like you're a bit too forward?
I mean, I sit as far forward as I can, and I still feel like I'm leaning forward slightly. I'd like to feel a little bit more upright.
Okay, all right, thanks. Okay, I'll go fit it now, and then we'll see what it's like. It's on the stand,
strong.
so you're good. Okay. All right, great. Thanks, Corin. I'll call you when it's done. Okay. If you see me sweating profusely here, it's not water. It's very hot. It's already almost 6 o'clock in the evening here in Brisbane. It's the middle of summer. It's 29 degrees and 84% humidity, so very sweaty. So this is the bar riser from Revzilla. It's called a Tour Performance. What is the brand? So they're called heli bars. This is the little piece that comes with it, heli bars. And this is what it looks like. So basically what will happen is the original two bolting points are here and here, there and there, and it just brings the handlebar back, and then as you can see, so that'll go into the original slot where the handlebar would be, so it's lifting it as well as letting it go back. So that's it. So the first thing that we've got to do is there are some tie downs just underneath here on both sides, and they keep the wiring in place. So the first thing we've got to do, not sure what the best angle is to get to this, but we have to clip them off so that the wires are free. I think going in from this side might be easiest. It's not as easy as what I was hoping it would be. Is anything? Okay, that's it. Cable tie. I don't know why I couldn't remember the words. That's that one off that side. And now for this side. This one looks a little harder to access. No, it's made no difference. And I can't really see so well in there. It's a bit of angle. You don't want to cut any wires while you're about this. That might do it. Got halfway through. next one. Okay, so that should give a bit more play. In the wiring looms, that side's easy. This side here, okay, we'll have to see. Okay, so next thing we do is, for anything with handlebars, is basically let's just cover around as much as possible. Get my wrench. So this uses a 5 and a 6 hex. It's just the 6 to take the old one, the stock ones off. Seems to be getting hotter as it's getting later. I went and bought these torque wrenches because I had one that measured foot-pounds before, and all the instructions I ever got came in Newton meters. So I went and bought 2 new torque wrenches. One is, I think it's 2 to 20, and this one's 20 to 100. They're both in Newton meters. And guess what the instructions come with? Foot-pounds. So now I have to get my phone out and do the conversion again, but I'll do that. I don't need to do that now. I'll just wait till I've got this off. Been sitting inside most of the afternoon watching the tennis. Djokovic against some young Italian guy that I've never seen before. He beat Djokovic. I don't know, I think Djokovic was, I don't know, he's off. His game was off, that's for sure. He doesn't normally lose that easily. He fought back in the 3rd set and then went down in the 4th set. Unfortunately, I like Djokovic, always have. Good guy. Okay, so now it looks like I'm not going to be lifting this thing backwards, just like I can on my bike. It's got to go forwards, which is pretty much what they said in the instructions. Why didn't I believe it? Okay. So this will just need to go forward like that. Let me just move my camera around a bit so you can see what I've done there. Okay, so this original piece came off, and as I said, I'll just there we go, original. So you just get this part here, and then the original part goes back on again, that way around. So you retain the original Triumph top piece. Okay, so the next thing we've got to do is put this on here, and as you see, it just fits in the original where the handlebars come off. Now I just need to read the instructions again. The instructions are pretty good. They come with all the pictures and everything. So we are there right now. Picture 4. Can't see much difference between photo 4 and photo 5. But in any case, photo 5 is putting the 2 top bolts in. So let's see what they say here. Use the 2 socket head cap screws in the forward 2 mounting holes. Use the 2 socket head cap screws. Okay, so they provide screws in the package. So you've got socket head screws. They're called SHCS. And what are the other ones called? is BHCS. Those are the ones that go in over here. Okay, so let's just grab these out of here and put them in here. See, they don't need to, they're shorter. Let's show you. I was just thinking we should use the originals, but they're a lot shorter and they don't need to be as long as those ones, because the ones that we got go back with us. So as I put these in, don't tighten them yet. Nice and neat. Okay, place the 2 button head screws in the rear 2 holes. So that's why these are called BHCS, button head screws. Sweat is dripping off me. This is where I need the 5. And these don't need to look fancy because they're hidden. At the end of the day, the handlebars will go over these 2. Okay. Place the button head screws. They must be in the handlebar mounting area. Torque the 2 forwards to 18 foot-pounds. Okay, so I've got to go and do a conversion now. Okay, so it's 18 foot-pounds. Okay, so that's 24.4 Newton meters. 20, 1, 2, 4, there's 5, so somewhere in between. So just make sure we're going the right way. Yep. I'll just tighten this one before I tighten the other one again. You're supposed to have someone stabilizing the front wheel while you're doing this, but I think it's okay. That's both of those done. Okay, 18, and then the rear button head to 16 foot-pounds. So let me just do my conversion here. 16 is 21.6. So 20, almost 22, 21. It's about there. Should be fine. And these are 5 mil hex. Let go. Okay. These things don't feel very good. Okay, that'll do. Okay, and we're going to place the handlebar assembly back. Again, okay, and then rotate it. So this is where you can feel there's a bit of tension here, or is there? Am I imagining it? It feels okay. Oh, that's what the towel's for, to wipe the brow. Okay, I suppose over there is good. Okay, now you always do the, look at this, wow. Just loosen a bit more, just make sure that I've got this, I think that's, yeah, that's where it was. There's a little white mark here to show you where it was originally in terms of the angle. So it's basically back the way it was, except it's a little bit higher and a little bit closer to the rider. Okay, so now, okay, so it's 18 foot-pounds again, so back to 24 point, almost 25. Okay, that's it, that's all done. Okay, last step is to get Corin back and see if she's happy. Okay, we've got Corin out here again, so we've got the handlebars raised now and brought forward. So Corin, come sit on the bike again and let us know what that feels like. Is it any better? Can you feel the difference?
Yeah, I can sit more up straight.
Is that more comfortable, though? Actually, put the bike on the stand and then put your feet on the pegs. Put your feet on the pegs. Okay, so that's your riding position. Does that feel good?
Yeah, that feels much better. I feel like I can sit a little bit more up straight.
Okay.
And yeah, the handlebars are slightly higher. So it's much better for me.
Okay, just taking an after photo. Okay, happy customer, happy riding. Okay, Corin's been a bit sick, so that's why she's struggling to get on and off. Okay, thank you, Corin. Okay, thanks everyone, thanks for watching. I've been meaning to do another video on my bike for a long time now, and I'm going to do one very soon. It's going to be basically looking at all the gear I've put on my Tiger 1200. I've got the Rally Explorer. I just put some new foot pegs on just recently from Lone Rider, just to help with when I'm wearing off-road boots. But I'll go through a whole, I'll go through all the changes I've made to the bike just to make it more off-road worthy than it was before, even showing you some of the luggage that I've bought for the bike as well, because hard panniers and hard cases are just not good for off-road, and you want to try and keep the weight down as low as possible. So I'll show you that as well. So thanks very much for watching. Chat to you again later. Bye.